we are back with system of linear equation by elimination method. Okay, let's have an example. 5x minus 6y equals negative 32 and 3x plus 6y equals 48. Now, in elimination method, dapat meron tayong variable na ma-eliminate kaagad. Okay? It's either variable x or variable y. Now, in our example, as you can see, makakapag-eliminate tayo kung merong 6y and a positive 6y. Okay? So, eliminate the negative 6y and positive 6y, and that will give us 8x equals 16. Okay? Ang galing ang 8x, 5x plus 3x equals 8x, and negative 32 plus 48 equals positive 16. And because we have 8x, that is multiplication, we have to divide both sides by 8 so that we can eliminate 8. Okay, so divide both sides by 8, and that will cancel out the 8, and that will give us x equals positive 2. And we can already solve for y by using the value of x. Okay, so we have 5x minus 6y equals negative 32. Substituting the value of x, so we have 5 times 2 minus 6y equals negative 32. So that is 10 minus 6y equals negative 32. We are now going to eliminate the 10. Okay, so we have to subtract 10 from both sides, and that will cancel out 10. So negative 6y equals negative 42, and we should divide both sides by negative 6, so we can cancel out negative 6. Okay, so that is equal to y, which will be equal to 7. So our answer is, for x we have 2, and for y we have 7. Okay, did you get it? Okay, next, let's have another example. Negative 2x minus 5y equals 22. And the next equation is 10x plus 3y equals 22. Now, meron na ba tayong pwedeng i-eliminate na variable x or variable y? Wala pa. Pagka ganyan na wala pa tayong pwedeng eliminate, dapat iisip tayo, paano natin ma-eliminate ang x or yung y? Okay? So, in our example, ano ang pwede natin gawin? Okay. The C. So, dapat yung negative as 5 times 10 equals negative 6. The value of y, which is negative 6. We can now solve for the value of x. Okay, we can use either of the two equations. So, we are going to use the first equation, negative 2x minus 5y equals 22. And we are going to substitute the value of y. Okay, so is minus 2x or negative 2x minus 5 times the value of y, which is negative 6. Okay, we multiply it by negative 6 equals 22. So we have negative 2x plus 30. So negative 5 times negative 6, that is positive 30. Pag parehong negative yan, magiging positive na siya. Okay, equal to, which is equal to 22, and we have to eliminate 30. So subtract 30 from both sides, and that will be equal to negative 2x equals negative 8. So divide both sides by negative 2. So that cancels out negative 2, and our x equals 4. So our answer is x equals 4 and y equals negative 6. Okay. Next. 3x plus 5y equals 10, and 5x plus 7y equals 10. Now, wala pa rin tayong pwedeng eliminate kasi wala pang opposite na values dyan. So, ano ang pwede natin gawin? Ano ang common na pwede natin i-multiply? O anong value ang pwede natin i-multiply para magkaroon tayo ng opposite values, either sa x or sa y. Okay, let us see. So, we have 3x plus 5y equals 10. 5x plus 7y equals 10. Now, if we are going to take the variable x, ano ang pwede natin i-multiply sa 3 para magkaroon siya ng 5? Wala. So, sa 5 din, wala. Ang common nila na or ang value na pwede natin i-multiply sa kanila like sa 3x ay 5 para maging 15 at sa 5x naman mag-multiply tayo ng negative 3 para opposite sila. Okay, so we multiply 5 on both sides para magiging 15x siya. And dito naman sa second equation ay negative 3 so that when you multiply negative 3 to 5x, magiging negative 5x naman siya. So opposite na sila, we can now eliminate the variable x. Okay, so that is 5 times 3x equals 15x. 5 times 5y is 25y. On the other side, 10 times 5 equals 50. Okay, next equation, negative 3 times 5x equals negative 15x. Negative 3 times 7y is negative 21y. And 10 times negative 3 is negative 30. So this time, we can already eliminate 15x and negative 15x. And 25y minus 21y equals 4y, and 50 minus 30 is 20. And now we can divide both sides by 4 so that we can have the value of y, which is equal to 5. And to solve for the value of x, we have to use the value of y so that we can find the value of x. Okay, so we can use equation number 1, 3x plus 5y equals 10. That will give us 3x plus 5 times y, which is now equal to 5. So that is 5 times 5 equals 10. So we have 3x plus 25 equals 10. And we have to cancel out 25, so subtract 25 from both sides. That is 3x equals 15. Now we see, so we have to divide both sides by 3, and that will give us 5. Okay, so given at hindi sila pwedeng i-use, hindi opposite value. So pwede ninyong gawin para maging opposite value. Okay, time's up. More time. Okay, let us see. Let us see if you did it right. So we have 2x plus 3y equals 15, and 3x minus 4 equals negative 6. So what do? When you multiply to 2x and 3x so that we can eliminate the x variable. Okay, so we multiply 3 to both sides, and because 3 times 2x is 6x. What is the opposite of 6x? Negative 6x. So what do we need to multiply to 3x para maging negative 6x? Of course, we can multiply negative 2 para maging negative 6x siya. Okay, so on the other side, kailangan din natin i-multiply, and that will give us positive 6x because 3 times 2x plus 3 times 3y is 9y, and 13 times 3 is 39. Okay, next equation. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x, and negative 2 times negative 4y is positive 8y. Negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. Okay, so we can eliminate 6x or the variable x, and we have 17y equals 51. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 39 plus 12 equals 51. Now we need to eliminate 17 or cancel out 17. We divide both sides by 17, and y equals 3. And substituting the value of y, we can now solve for x. So we use the first equation, 2x plus 3y equals 13. So we have 2x plus 3 times y equal to 3. Kaya meron tayong 3 times 3 equals 13. So 2x plus 9 equals 13. We have to cancel out 9. So we have to subtract both sides by 9. And that will give us 2x equals 4. Divide both sides by 2 to cancel out 2. And it will give us x equals 2. So our answer is x equals 2 and y equals 3. Okay, did you get it right? Of course, very good. One more. Okay, you try this one. For x minus 2y equals 6 and negative 2x plus 6y equals 2. Okay, I will give you time, more time, 20 seconds. So, anong gagawin niyo dyan? Meron bang opposite values na dyan? Wala pa. Yung x, yung isa 4x, yung isa negative 2x. Okay? So, sa y naman, negative 2y, positive 6y. So, ano ang pwede natin gawin para magkaroon tayo ng values na opposite? Yung 4x, ano ang pwedeng opposite niya? Of course, yung opposite niya is negative 4x. So, anong pwede natin gawin dun sa negative 2x para maging negative 4x siya? Kasi yun pala ang kailangan natin to eliminate 4x or the x variable. Okay? Okay? Finished? Let us see. Okay? So, 4x minus 2y equals 6. And negative 2x plus 6y equals 2. So, ano ang sabi natin? Kung eliminate natin ang x, meron tayong 4x. Ano ang opposite niya? Negative 4x. So, what do we need to do? We need to multiply positive 2 to both sides. Okay? Para meron tayong yung first equation ulit, 4x minus 2y equals 6. And our second equation will be equal to negative 4x kasi meron tayong 2 times negative 2x, naging negative 4x na siya. Plus 2 times 6y equals 12y, and 2 times 2 equals 4. So we can eliminate now the x variable, and that will give us 10y equals 10. So divide both sides by 10 so that we can have the value of y, which is equal to 1. And we can now substitute the value of y so that we can solve for x. So using the first equation, we have 4x minus 2y equals 6. Substituting the value of y, we have 4x minus 2 times 1 equals 6. And that is equal to 4x minus 2 equals 6. We have to cancel out negative 2, so we have to add 2 to both sides, and that will cancel out 2 and give us 4x equals 8. So next is to divide both sides by 4, and x equals 2. Okay, did you get it right? Yes, very good. So I think this one. Very good. See you next time.